Hi, I'm Carl from the Woodshop TV, and my entry for the Makers Make It Matter challenge is a wooden tape measure. The challenge was to make a tool or a toy a child could use. I'll put a link down below in the description to the website too. All of the pieces will be auctioned off for charity, and they'll have all the details there. The yew wood I got from my buddy in Ireland, Brendan. Thank you very much. And the dark wood, I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's an 1.5 inches thick and about 2 3/4 in diameter, and I use a flexible fabric tape for the inside of it. Let's get started. Help support the companies that support our community. There we go. And again, I'll put a link down below in the description to the Makers Make It Matter website where you can get all of the details and when the auction will be. There's great ways to help out the charity as well. So go check that out, please. Again, it's 2 3/4 inches by 1.5 inches, and it's a 5-foot flexible tape. All right, I had a lot of fun making it. When I was putting it all together, I should have put in the little copper rod first, but it all worked out. I used Gorilla Glue to glue in the tape to that center dowel, and then just wood glue on the rest of it. That little copper rod in there that I wrapped around, that's what's holding the little wheel here in, so that's holding the whole thing together. All right, if this is your first time here, I have a new project video every Friday. I hope to see you there. Till next week, take care.